Today I'm going to teach you how to preserve mushrooms, so you can use it during the whole week. They're not going to get bad, they're going to taste delicious. Include mushrooms in your diet because they're high in vitamin D to keep the bones stronger. They're high in selenium, a mineral that prevents premature aging. They are also high in protein. One whole mushroom is equivalent to 2 grams of protein. Here we have 10 mushrooms already chopped, and it's equivalent to 20 grams of protein. They are also low in fat and zero fat and low in calories. So and the way that we're going to cook is going to be daily. So the first thing that you're going to do is to add olive oil. Let's put in, I have my Instant Pot, so we're going to put it in Sauté mode. Oh, let's see. Wait, what's going on here? Okay, Sauté mode. First thing that we're going to add is olive oil. This is a gift from my father-in-law. And let's add, I could say add 3 to 4 spoons, so then let it heat. You're going to add 3 to 4 garlic. You just chop it like this. You are going to add 1/3 cup of parsley and 1/3 cup of basil. This is just to give a good flavor, and then you are going to add also some salt and some pepper. So let's start with our garlic. Okay. So and then what you do, you just keep it in a glass container, and when you want some flavor in your quinoa and your salad, you just add some of this, and because it's high protein, it's a great protein substitute and tastes delicious. This was a recipe that my mom gave me. My mom is an excellent cook. I would say she's natural. She's like a chef, everything tastes good. So she just gave me this recipe, and I'm going to make it. Okay. It smells so good right now. We leave the garlic to cook a little bit. I love this Instant Pot, it's so good. So the mushrooms that I use is called loose salad mushroom. You can use the one that you love the most. I got this one because it's seasonal. So why I know it's seasonal? Because they are cheaper. So just you let it saute for 5 minutes, and then you're going to add the mushrooms and let it saute for another 5 minutes, and then you add the basil and parsley. Let it cool down, and then you put it in the container. Keep it. You use glass container. It's also healthy. Preserve the freshness of your food, and it's going to last for a week in the refrigerator, for even more. It could last for 2 weeks, and just use a little bit each time. Okay, now I'm going to add my mushrooms. Okay, just mix. I put it here so you can see. Mix. You can add some salt. The salt that I use is called Himalaya salt. It's a very good salt. Okay, so I could put just a little bit. I would say like a teaspoon. Pepper. Always try to use the pepper, the whole pepper like this. Why? Because the other one get older. So this, in that way, you always are going to have fresh pepper. And pepper is very good because it's going to help you with digestion. So we have some pepper. So let it cook for 5 minutes. It's already smelling delicious. Okay. I need more oil. You know, you want the mushrooms to be a little bit moist. So I would say it's okay, you know, if you don't see that the mushrooms are very moist, so use more oil. I will show you. Wow, smells so good. Okay. Hey. Now I'm going to add the basil. All these herbs are going to add great flavor and they are great for digestion. And parsley is one of my favorite because it helps you to remove metals in your body and also help you to lose weight, because when they remove the metal from your body, so everything is going to, like the toxins, everything goes down, so you're going to start losing weight in a healthy way without starving. And then mix everything. Smells so good. And I have my container here where I'm going to store my mushrooms, something like this, with a nice lid. And remember, wait until they are cool. Don't store, you know, it's better for, you know, when you keep it cool, they don't get like a mushy. I think it's the right word. Okay. Okay. When do you know that they're done? They're going to get a little bit like moist. And they're going to get a little bit darker. So they're almost there. Almost there. So this is for your meal preparation. You can do this on Sunday. And you will have mushrooms for the whole week. So like I said, I got 10 mushrooms. I got 1/3 cup of basil, 1/3 cup of parsley, 3 to 4 garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. Done. Okay, they're ready. Turn it off, and I will show you. That is the color that you want to get when you know that the mushrooms are ready. Okay, I will continue showing you more recipes for your meal preparation. I hope you enjoy, and you will see how well you feel when you add this delicious meal, and also the flavor is amazing. Thank you so much for being here with me. I send you a lot of love and a big hug to everybody, and I will see you tomorrow with more recipes.